This is M. Sambaraj, Assistant Professor, Institute of Aeronautical Engineering College, Hyderabad. Today topic name Puzzle Test 2. Puzzle Test, also called Data Arrangement or Analytical Reasoning. Puzzle Test subtopics, one of the most important topic in reasoning ability. Highest marks in reasoning ability only puzzle test. Minimum 5 marks. One puzzle, 5 questions, 5 marks in exam. You may write any competitive exam. Definitely will get 5 marks only reasoning ability topic. Subtopics in puzzle test. First one, classification. Second, seating arrangement. Third, comparison test. Fourth, family based examples, means blood relations. Fifth, sequential order of things. And sixth one, jumbled puzzles, inserting the numbers. Seventh, cube, cuboid and dices. We have 7 subtopics in puzzle test. Yes, puzzle test 2. First example, sample examples in puzzle test 2. Puzzle test 1 only. Family based examples, classification, only 2 models covered in puzzle test 1. Puzzle test 2, seating arrangement concept and also sequential order of things. These models are belongs to puzzle number 2. Here puzzle 2 in bracket seating arrangement concept. Here 2 models only exist. Here first model line concept. Here seating arrangement, one of the most important topic in puzzle test or data arrangement. A topic name seating arrangement. Here models in seating arrangement. First model line concept, all of them are facing north direction or facing the teacher, that indicate north direction. This indicate north direction. Find left and right combinations only. Second, circular concept. Here condition, all of them are facing center of the circle. Here first model only row concept. Second, circle concept. Only 2 models exist in seating arrangement. A circle concept or table concept. These models only important to seating arrangement. Right, first model line concept. First example in puzzle test 2, that is seating arrangement. First example. Study the following information carefully and answer the given questions. First point, 11 students A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J and K are sitting in the first row of the class facing the teacher. If facing the teacher indicate the direction is called north direction. Using this information you draw line. This indicate north direction. This is called left end. This is called right end. Left and right directions only. That point only important to line concept. Second, D, who is to the immediate left of F, is second to the right of C. Third statement, A is second to the right of A, who is at the one of the end. J is the immediate neighbor of A and B and third to the left of G. H is to the immediate left of D and third to the right of E. This is the information of the puzzle. Using this information, 5 questions, 5 marks in the exam. Here easy, here simple, everything is given. Here important only conditional statement information only important. Here one puzzle, 5 questions, 5 marks. There is no formulas here. There is no simplifications here. There is no calculations here. Here method, using above information, find the logic or find the solution. That method applicable to given questions. The methods questions are very easy. Here important only analysis only important. A first statement already completed. You draw line of the first statement facing north that indicate teacher. Second point, D, who is to the immediate left of F, that indicate F left D. D is to the immediate left of F means, so this point is equal to F. Immediate left means F left side D, occupied only D. And D is second to the right of C. This indicate D is second to the right of C. C second right to only D. This is called second right. C here first right, second right D. First statement completed. A is second to the right of E, who is at one of the end. E either left end or right end. Suppose E consider right end, next left is not possible. E possible only left end but not right end. If you consider right end, next left position not possible. Right positions are not possible. Left positions are only possible. But A right and E second right only A, but right position not possible. Left only possible. Then E must be considered only left end. This is called is equal to E. E second right, first right, second right only A. A third statement also completed. Next, fourth, J is the immediate neighbor of A and B, that indicate J exactly between A and B. But here A, next point J and B, J exactly between A and B. Next, and third to the left of G, J is third to the left of G. G third left J. Suppose G consider this position. This is called G. G 1, 2, 3, third place, third left J, correct. Fourth statement completed. H is to the immediate left of D. This is called H. And third to the right of I. H is third to the right of I. I third right H. But I here third 1, 2, 3. Here all completed except K. Right, K position this place only pending. This is logic of the puzzle. Once again, first position E, and second one K, third one A, and next J, J between A and B, next I exactly middle, next G, next C, H, D, last right end F. This is the solution of the puzzle. A left end A, right end F. A next questions in first puzzle. Which of the following groups of friends is sitting to the right of G? Is sitting to the right of G. G right side CHDF. So CHDF option C only correct. Second example. Who is sitting in the middle of the row? Middle of the row, consider middle of the row, total 11. 11, middle person only I only middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sixth person only middle. That person only I. Means option B only correct. Next, which of the following statements is true in the context of the above sitting arrangement? There are 3 students are sitting between D and G. A D and G 3. No, that is not correct. D and G only 2 persons. A is not correct. G and C are neighbors. G and C, no, that is not. G and C neighbors correct. But sitting to the immediate right of H. Well, left of H only possible but not right of H. Second one again not correct. A B is sitting between J and I. B sitting J and I. J and I. This is exactly correct. So C only correct. But K is between A and J. K is between A and J. No, that is not correct. So option C only correct. Third example, option C. B exactly middle between J and I. Next, fourth statement. But this is the method. E, K, A, J, B, I, G, C, H, D, F. This is the solution. Fourth example. E and D. Right. E plus D. D plus E interchange their positions. C and B, C place and B place. Right. H and K, H and K, E and D, C and B, A and H, A plus H, H plus A, K and F, K plus F, and this one K. Interchange their positions. Right. Which of the following pairs of students is sitting at the ends? D and K. So answer option C. First example, which is belongs to line concept, first model in seating arrangement. Your first question option C, second option B, third option C, fourth option C. This is about first example method. Right. Second example, number 2. Second example, seating arrangement concept. That is circular concept. First line, second circle. Read the information given below and answer the questions that follow. Statement 1. A, B, C, D, E, F and G are sitting around a circle and are facing the center. Just draw circle, but only 7 persons, right? 7 corners only. 7 corners only. Write 2 possibilities. First possibility, second possibility is 7 corners. First possibility and second possibility either or, any one only exist by using above information. Second point, G is second to the left of C. Who is to the immediate left of F? A is third to the left of E. B is between D and E. First to apply between condition. This is clue of the topic. Here B is between D and E. Here B exactly middle. One side D, other side E. Second possibility same. Here B exactly middle. One side E, other side D. Any one only possible because exact middle. B only middle. But B left, B right. That information clearly not given. Right? Either or possibility. Second, A third. A is third to the left of E. E third left A. But E here left. This is called left. E position here. Facing center of the circle. Find left and right. Left third place. 1, 2, 3. This position A. But E here 1, 2, 3. This position A. E left side only. Third position only A. Third statement also completed. Second statement, G is second to the left of C. G is second to the left of C. Who is to the immediate left of F? F immediate left C. F immediate left. Suppose F sit here. Suppose F here. F here. Right, left. This point left C. And suppose this position here. This position. Suppose this position F here, left. This is called left C. This is called C. Next, G is second to the left of C. C second left. C second left only G. But G here, second left G. This is called G. Already B exists. This is not possible. But this one only possible. C here, second left. 1 and 2. This position only G. This is the solution of the given puzzle. Circular arrangement type of questions are given. You draw 2 possibilities. Apply above statements one by one. But only one diagram only exists. That is answer of the given puzzle. Here important only left and right only important. Here each corner find out only left and right direction only. Seating arrangement. The topic completely depends only left and right combination only. Next, this is the answer of the given puzzle. Right, once again, a total 7 persons here. Here first one B, next one E and G, this E and D, F, C, A, G. This is the solution. Okay, right, please. Because questions are based on only above solution part 2. Here first one, which of the following is false statement? Wrong statement. Option A. A is fourth to the right of A. E here 1, 2, 3, 4 exactly correct. G is to the immediate right of D. D right side G, exactly correct. B is to the immediate left of D. D left to B, correct. F is third to the right of D. F is third to the right of D. D here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth position F, but not third. So this is wrong statement. Option E only correct. Second, which of the following is true? Option A, C is fourth to the left of B. A fourth left, this is called third left, but A is not correct. Option C, A is to the immediate right of G. A is to the immediate right of G. G immediate right A, exactly correct. Option D, D is second to the left of E. E second left, but E left D, that is not correct. So option C only correct. But D is second to the left of E. D is second to the left of E, but right of E, but not left of E. That is not correct. Next, third example. Which of the following is the middle person sitting between the remaining two? Find middle person. Option A, DEB. No, that is not correct. Option B, GDA. No, GDA. No, GDA. But G only middle, but not D middle. Option C, FCE. Again, not correct. F only middle. Option D, EFB. F only middle. E only middle, but not F. So answer none of these only correct because A, B, C, D are not possible. Next, fourth example. Which of the following is the position of F? F position, statement A, option A. To the immediate right of A. To the immediate right of A, no, that is not correct. To the immediate left of C, no, right of C. Between A and E, no. Fourth to the right of D. Right D here, 1, 2, 3, 4. That is exactly correct. Option E only correct. Next, fifth example. Who is sitting to the right of E? Who is sitting to the right of E? But E right side only B. That is not given. Option A only correct. E left position F, right position B. But B not given using given options. So answer none of these. This is about second example, seating arrangement concept. First one answer option E, second option C, third option E, fourth option E, fifth option A. This is about second example in seating arrangement using circle concept. Next, third example, number 3. Again using circle concept. Yes. Study the following information carefully and answer the given questions. This is the information of the puzzle. Lengthy compared to the previous two examples. These models only important to GATE, CAT and GMAT and also placements. Especially this is important to Infosys company. 5 marks only puzzle test using seating arrangement concept. Lengthy type of models only important. This is theory, but previous two questions are statement wise information, but this is theoretical information. A method, information of the puzzle. 8 people, S, R, N, L, M, T, O and P are sitting in a circle facing the center. A circle type of questions are given. You draw 2 circles, 8 persons, 8 corners. First possibility. Next, second possibility. Anyone only exists in your exam. Must you draw 2 possibilities. Then only problem easy. First point completed. All 8 belongs to different professions. Reporter, doctor, teacher, accountant, shopkeeper, painter, supervisor. But only 7 given. And next one here you check this point. Yes, the cricketer. Cricketer also profession. Total 8 professions, 8 persons. They are not necessarily seated in the mentioned order. That the order is not correct, otherwise meaningless. Next, M is sitting third to the left of O. The doctor is to the right of M. M is not a reporter. R is sitting fourth to the right of P. Neither R nor P is an immediate neighbor of M. T is a teacher and he is sitting third to the right of the doctor. The shopkeeper is sitting second to the left of the teacher. The painter is sitting second to the left of M. Yes, the cricketer is sitting between M and P. This is the important. First, you apply between condition. That is the clue of the circle concept. The accountant is sitting second to the left of the cricketer. N is sitting third to the left of T. Here clue, apply between condition. S cricketer sitting between M and P. Suppose here S here. S profession cricketer sitting between M and P. One side M, one side P. First possibility. Second possibility, S cricketer, this side P and this side M. Because S left and right not given. That is a possibility chance. Here next to apply statements one by one, starting onwards. First statement. This is completely information not required. This is complete information. M is sitting third to the left of O. O third left M. M here. O third left. Suppose O here. 1, 2, 3. Right. Next O here. This is called left. 1, 2, 3. O position. First diagram and second diagram. The doctor is to the right of M. Doctor is to the right of M. M right side cricketer. But M right side doctor only possible but not cricketer. This is not correct. This one only correct. M here. M right side only doctor. That condition does not exist in this diagram. That one exactly wrong. But second one only possible. Next, M is not a reporter. This is the condition. M is not a reporter. M is not a reporter. This is the condition. R is sitting fourth to the right of P. R is sitting fourth to the right of P. Here P here, fourth right, 1, 2, 3, 4. This position only R. Neither R nor P is an immediate neighbor of M. Exactly correct. But the doctor is not M. But M. Yes. Next, T is a teacher and sitting third to the right of the doctor. Doctor here, 1, 2, 3. Here T, profession teacher. Right. The shopkeeper is sitting second to the left of the teacher. Teacher here, second left. Then R shopkeeper. R shopkeeper. The painter is sitting second to the left of M. M here, second left. First left, second left. Then P painter. Then P painter. Yes, the cricketer, that statement completed. The accountant is sitting second to the left of the cricketer. Cricketer here, second left. This is called left L. Sorry, accountant, not L, accountant. Accountant. Next, N is sitting third to the left of T. T here, left, N doctor. All completed except L, L accountant. Total 8 persons, all persons completed except L. But accountant person only pending, that is only L. Next, professions, T teacher, S cricketer, N doctor, L accountant, P painter or shopkeeper. Pending only O and M. But M is not a reporter. Pending only 2 professions, reporter and supervisor. But M not a reporter. M indicates supervisor. O remaining possible only reporter. O is called reporter. This is solution of the given puzzle. Next important, here O and S opposite direction. O opposite S, O reporter cricketer. P opposite R, P painter or shopkeeper. L opposite to doctor. L N, L accountant in doctor. T opposite M, T teacher, M supervisor. O reporter and S cricketer. This is called opposite direction. A next questions in third puzzle. A first example. Who is the accountant? But L only accountant. L accountant. This is called L accountant. Second, who is exactly sitting exactly opposite to reporter? Opposite direction. Opposite direction. Opposite, yes, cricketer. So yes, person only correct. Who is sitting immediate right of doctor? Right, immediate right of doctor. Doctor right side only or shopkeeper. So or option B only correct. And fourth example, which of the following is correct? Which of the following is correct? N accountant, no. L accountant. Or shopkeeper but not reporter. P painter but not doctor. N doctor only correct. Option C only correct. Next, fifth one, who is the fourth right of the doctor? A fourth right of the doctor. Fourth right of the doctor. Doctor here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here, first right, second right, third right, fourth right. Fourth right, L accountant. L accountant. Option B only correct. This is about third example. This is about third example. Okay, third example completed. Right. Next puzzle, a table concept. Read the following data and answer the questions. There are 6 neighbors, Mr. Sharma, Tendulkar, Dravid, Prasad, Johar and Iyer, living in a triple store building with 6 plots. The seating arrangement. But draw table in a table concept. Yes, each floor 2 plots, total 6. This is called ground floor, middle floor and top floor. Each floor only 2 plots. This is about first statement information. Second point, those who have 4 or more children occupy the top floor. Top floor number of children 4 or more. 4 plus children, 4 or more. Completed. Second, the lawyer as a Kelvinator while CA as Godrej. That is a possibility condition. Second condition. So third condition. The ground floor occupants have a cheerful disposition, means characters. Next to Tendulkar, a cricketer, has 3 children, but Tendulkar possible only middle and ground, but not top floor. Top floor number of children only 4 or more, but not 3. That is possible only middle and ground floor only possible. Next, Johar and Iyer, the Dravid unmarried man, occupy the middle floor. Middle floor, first part suppose consider Dravid, unmarried, number of children 0. Johar and Iyer have gloomy disposition while the rest are cheerful. A gloomy, a cheerful only, ground floor only cheerful, that statement already given. Next, top floor only gloomy. Johar and Iyer top floor only possible because a total 2 characters, one is gloomy and cheerful, but Johar and Iyer have gloomy, remaining are cheerful disposition. The ground floor occupants have cheerful disposition. The ground floor and middle floor cheerful only possible. Only 2 persons only gloomy, that is Johar and Iyer. That is possible, remaining only top floor. This statement also completed. Next, Mr. Prasad, middle floor. A middle floor already Dravid. First floor Dravid, second floor Prasad. Middle floor and right number of children not given, but Volta's fridge given. This statement also completed. Next important statement. Mr. Tendulkar, a cricketer, has 3 children. But cricketer 3 children, possible only middle and ground. Middle floor Dravid Prasad completed, possible only ground floor. Then Tendulkar ground floor, number of children 3 and profession cricketer. This one also completed. Right, this one also completed. Right. Next, lawyer Kelvinator, CA Godrej, that is a possibility case. Next important, one of the 2 neighbors having 2 children own a Videocon fridge and is a journalist. A person name, 2 children, Videocon and journalist. But number of children only 2. This is possible only ground or middle floor only possible, but not top floor. Middle floor already completed. Next, ground floor, Tendulkar completed, except only Sharma. Here, Johar and Iyer only top floor. That condition clearly given because Johar and Iyer are gloomy. That is only top floor. Remaining are cheerful disposition. Here, number of children 2. That is possible only middle or ground. Middle floor already completed. Then possible only ground floor. Middle floor completed. Next, ground floor only possible. This is called Sharma. All persons completed except Sharma. Sharma, number of children 2 and profession journalist and videocon. This is the complete information of Sharma. This statement also completed. Next, 2 neighbors of whom one is a teacher do not own fridge. This statement important. 2 neighbors whom one is a teacher. But Johar and Iyer possible. Next, Dravid also possible, but Prasad not possible. Tendulkar cricketer not possible. Sharma journalist not possible. Possible only 3 persons: Johar, Iyer, and Dravid. But the teacher does not stay on the top floor. And Johar, Iyer not possible. Possible only Dravid because teacher do not own fridge, but Prasad Volta's fridge available. That is not possible. A possible only Dravid. A Dravid, this is called Dravid profession only teacher, but unmarried, number of children 0. A next, middle floor completed here, ground floor completed except top floor. A top floor possible only Johar and Iyer. Johar and Iyer. Professions, lawyer and CA, charter account. But Johar, lawyer possible, charter account possible, CA possible. Iyer also charter account or Johar either or possibility because that condition clearly not given. If clearly not given, then select the option either or cases. And also next one, Kelvinator and Godrej. A Johar possibility. First possibility, a lawyer Kelvinator or CA Godrej. Johar Iyer possibility, CA Godrej or lawyer Kelvinator. These 2 possibilities only exist 2 persons in this puzzle, that is Johar and Iyer. Remaining persons conditions are clearly given. Middle floor Dravid teacher unmarried, number of children 0. Second part Prasad Volta's middle floor, but here married, unmarried, that statements are not given, can't say. But profession also not given, Prasad. Next, ground floor Tendulkar cricketer, number of children 3. Number of children 3. And next, profession cricketer. Next, Tendulkar fridge not given, can't say. Next, Sharma, number of children 2. Journalist, videocon fridge. Everything is given, Sharma. Next, all statements are completed. Next, questions in 4th puzzle. First example, which fridge does Mr. Dravid own? Dravid, I think no. Option A only correct. Dravid, that information clearly not given. That cannot possible. Option D. What is Mr. Prasad profession? Prasad profession. A Prasad profession not given. Here option D cannot say. Next, third example. Who among the following occupies the top floor? A top floor possible only Johar and Iyer possible. Johar and Iyer possible. But here Sharma ground floor, Dravid middle floor, Prasad middle floor, but Johar possible only top floor. Suppose Iyer also given, so answer Johar or Iyer alone is not correct, either or only correct, or both Johar and Iyer correct, not either or. Suppose option E Iyer, but your answer if 2 persons are given, then select the option both Johar and Iyer, that option only correct. Next, how many children does Sharma have? Only 2 children. Next, last one important. What is the least number of children possible in the entire building? Option A 9, B 12, C 15, D 18. But entire building, calculate total number of children. Here first one, top floor 4 or more. Next, Dravid 0, Prasad not given, Tendulkar 3 children, Sharma 2 children. Here next, here method, here top floor 4 or more, each flat 4 persons and 4 plus 4 is equal to 8 plus, top floor number of children 8 plus. Next, middle floor 0, this is not given, middle floor is equal to 0. Ground floor Tendulkar 3 children, Sharma 2 children, 3 plus 2 is equal to 5, 3 plus 2 exactly 5. Total number of children 8 plus 0 plus 5 is equal to 13 plus possible, not exactly 13 because 4 or more, minimum 4, maximum that information clearly not given, but 4 minimum compulsory. Total number of children 13 plus only possible, 13 plus only possible, but here what is the least number of children? But 13 plus means 15 possible, 18 possible. 15 comma 18, least only 15, option C only correct. Maximum, but using options 18, minimum 15, at least means minimum, that is equal to 15. This is about 5th example solution. Then 4th example also completed. This one also important to competitive exams. Here 3rd one and 4th one important. First one and second one basic level questions in seating arrangement. 3rd one and 4th one level of difficulty average to advanced level. These models only important to competitive exams. Then seating arrangement concept completed. I covered both the concepts in seating arrangement. One is line concept or table concept. Second, circular arrangement concept. Only 2 models. First model, line row concept or table concept, and next circle concept. These 2 models always exist only left and right combinations only. But condition, all of them are facing the teacher or facing the north in line concept. Circle concept, all of them are facing center of the circle. That information given or not given, applicable only. Row concept facing the teacher, otherwise multiple solutions exist. Facing the north, facing the south, 2 possible solutions exist, but must you have to follow only north direction, whether given or not given. And next, seating arrangement, circle concept, circular type of questions are given. All of them are facing center of the circle, otherwise 2 multiple solutions exist, both cases correct if not given. But answers always exist only, all of them are facing center of the circle. That condition given or not given, applicable only facing the center. This is about seating arrangement. Here puzzle test 1 completed, classification completed, family based examples completed, and comparison test less than and greater than, that combinations also completed in puzzle test 1. Puzzle test 2 completed only seating arrangement, line concept, circle concept, table concept completed. Here next, other models in puzzle test, sequential order of things. Next, jumbled puzzles. That models only pending in puzzle test. Total we have 7 subtopics, and also completed cuboid and dices concept also completed. These subtopics are very important data arrangement or analytical reasoning or puzzle test. Okay, right. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.